When I first thought about sharing my recipes with people, I was a bit dubious, wondering if people would like it or not. And because of the current situation and a lot of people are stuck indoors, I thought, a bit. Anyway, I'm so glad I have. I've had some lovely feedback. People from actually around the world, people in Australia and America commenting on how useful it's been. And then I've had people actually asking, would I try and show them how to make things. As we're a guest house, when people arrive, I always offer them lemon drizzle cake and a cup of tea as a nice little welcome. So people have asked me, and my son's fiance said, please share your lemon drizzle. So this is my lemon drizzle, but it's not my lemon drizzle. It's good old Mary Berry's lemon drizzle tray bake. Made it that many times, I know the recipe off by heart. So it asked for 4 eggs, but I put 3 duck eggs in because they're quite big duck eggs. I've got the zest of 2 lemons. I've got 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 225 grams of butter, 225 grams of sugar, and I'm now going to put in 275 grams of self-raising flour. Now, a few years ago, David, my beloved husband, bought me a food mixer. Absolute joy, love it. It's brilliant. It's my best friend in the kitchen. Just doesn't have a name, if you can think of one. So there's my food mixer, and here's all my ingredients I've got ready. I'll just give it a quick whirl, and I'm going to have to leave it for a couple of minutes to mix up. So I'll just switch it on, and then we'll come back later and I'll show you how we tray it all up. So after a couple of minutes in my food mixer, here's my cake mix. It's quite yellow because of the duck eggs. I'm tipping it into a greased tray and then covered it with greaseproof paper. And now I'm trying to get all the mixture out. Ooh. I remember when I was little, I used to fight over the bowl to lick the bowl in the spoon. Do you remember doing that? I'm licking it, it's my turn. So now I've spread it out. I'm going to pop it in a conventional oven for 35 minutes. Good old timer here. Now the key is you never open the door, ever. You put it in and you leave it till it's had its 35 minutes. If you open the door when you've got a cake in, it'll just flop in the middle. So in it goes. Put my timer on and we'll come back in 35 minutes. So here's one I made earlier. Look at that. Perfect. So what I do, I get a fork. As it comes out the oven, it's better to put your drizzle on while it's warm. So I just prod the top. And then in my drizzle, I've got 175 grams of sugar and the juice of the 2 lemons. So nothing goes to waste. Then we just drizzle it on the top. Ooh, there's always too much. So when it goes cool, it'll be all nice and juicy. And while it's still warm and I've prodded it with the fork, this helps the lemon juice soak into the top. So that should hear it crunchy. And the best thing about this is it's freezable. So when it's gone cold, I'll cut it up into strips and I'll just pop it into the freezer. And it doesn't take long to defrost either. There you go, my lemon drizzle cake or tray bake. So here's my finished product, my lemon drizzle cake washed down with a cup of tea. Enjoy. Oh my god. Delicious.